Okay, so I am telling you when you are building any application for banking, or might be may require the JG crazy thing, but on banking you require the hundreds of component, thousands of component on one page. No, on banking you don't require like Facebook 100 images आ रही हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता ना. अगर ऐसा रिक्वायर होता, इफ दैट वाज द रिक्वायरमेंट कि आई वांट टू शो द 100 इमेज विच विल कम इन एवरी सेकेंड, आई वांट टू शो द okay like in milliseconds it's coming the like Facebook, so that type of application is good for candidate for the React. But the application which we build जिसमें सिर्फ एक पेज होता है, okay, जिसमें which has the only one page, 10 text box or 30 text box, 5 6 drop down, for that level of application है ना, performance never ever impact. Means it is in Angular 1 versus React also there was the zero difference for that type of application where you have the data centric, means transaction centric application. If this is the purely data centric application like the Facebook, there would have the impact for if I will use the Angular 1, but and that type of application is good for the React. But our application which we build for this type of thing is always be the better candidate, because easy thing, easy to learn and easy to maintain also. You should go with the Angular. ठीक है ना, यहाँ पे कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं, बिकॉज देर इज क्या है क्या एक पेज पे, हाउ मेनी कंपोनेंट्स आर देयर और एलिमेंट्स आर देयर इन वन पेज, लिमिटेड, राइट. सो यहाँ पे कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं. जब मेरा 1000 10,000 components are there, then there is the, you can see the impact between one React and the Angular one. But in by using virtual DOM also, that gap is also filled by the Angular. So the big company like the banking sector, majorly banking sector, who not the public side application, their own, and you know where you get the money, you know where you get the money in IT industry for intranet based application, means internal application. For website, the demand, if you go to you see the website developer salary and application developer salary, there is the two-time difference in industry. Have you seen this difference? You know that, right? So if I'm writing creating the web Facebook, this is the website type of development, and for HSBC is not going to create that type of things, right? Neither any other company, right or wrong. So they are the best candidate, and that's the key reason every these type of company majorly is opting the Angular instead of React. ठीक है ना. But at the same time one question more come, you can say the okay, my company has some project with React also, it is possible. So I will ask you one question, which is favorite cricketer for you guys or hero? What do you say? Dhoni is the best. And what do you say? Kohli. Okay, so everyone in industry, everyone has their own choice also. Even I cannot say that Dhoni is the best or Kohli is the best. Both are equal technically. Without Dhoni, Kohli can't do anything. But that's not the topic. Okay, React is also hit, Angular is also hit. But some guys want that to make project complex, they choose the React. Some a person thought that I want to maintain that project for a long, they choose the Angular. ठीक है ना. React को maintain करना और उसकी team maintain करना is very very difficult, because to learning process is very high. ठीक है ना. That's the key reason. So इसलिए never fight with any other one कि they are using Angular or React. Let them. You are using Angular, that's your choice, and they are using React, that's their choice. You cannot fight with them and say them कि .NET तो कुछ नहीं है, Java is the best, .NET को तो बंद ही हो जाना चाहिए. You can't say that, right? You are Java developer, so, और they can't say Java तो 4 साल से तो कोई उसका वर्जन ही नहीं आया था, अभी चलो 3 आ गया, that's different topic. पर जितने फीचर्स .NET में उतना that features are not available into Java. You know that Java, Microsoft is releasing features in every some years, and Java has just started that, right? So both are the powerful, but some companies are using Java, .NET, PHP, Python. Everyone is using everything right now, and that is going to be happen. There would always be scope for the Angular. There would always be scope for React. There would always be scope for Knockout. There would always be scope for Vue.js also. But you have to choose your path and stick to that, and first become the mastery. ठीक है ना. So that's the key reason I explain you why big companies and why and where to choose. Angular has the very good support, community support also, and owned by the two big companies. You get the n number of supports blogs for micros